Now, fix number two. This is the credit card utilization. Guys, right now, credit cards is at their all-time high as far as consumer debt. So this is something that we have to fix. Now, when you fixing this, right, your balances compared to your limits. This is one of the fastest ways to improve your credit because it looks without doing anything complicated. You can pay everything on time every single month and you can still get penalized if your balances are high when they report. So, here's your targets. You want to stay under 30% per card. So that's the baseline. Now, after you get to that point, you want to get under 10%. That's when you're really starting to optimize your entire situation. Key details most people miss, the statement dates, they also matter. You want the balance that reports to be low, not just the balance after you pay on the due date. Now, here's the biggest thing. Here's somewhere where you can like real strategic if you are in a situation. You can actually figure out when your credit card companies reports to the credit bureaus. So basically, it's like a balancing act. You can make sure that you have whatever balance going towards the end of the month. You can make sure you have it paid. So let's say hypothetically, your due date is the 1st, but that they report on the 7th. So one thing that you can do is you can make sure you pay that balance, let's say all the way off or something like that, and you report that balance on the 7th of every month. So what you can do is go in there, pay it off, bam. After the 7th, you can wait till 8th, 9th, something like that, because it fluctuates from time to time, and pull all the money back out. This is just one of those things where we're focused on making sure the utilization ratios are very low when it comes to the reported agencies. Now, of course, you want to make sure you pay these off. You want to make sure they stay extremely low. But I'm just giving you a little bit of game for if you're in a little situation. So here's some quick wins, right? So the quick wins, they come down to timing and behavior. Remember, that's what I just was explaining to you. You want to pay the balance down before the statement closes, not after. Now, try not to close any old cards. This will hurt you because you can shrink your available credit and push your utilization up. And if you're close to applying, don't go triggering new inquiries unless your lender tells you to do so. Reason being, the more inquiries, that shows that, hey, this person is out trying to shop for credit. Why? People who's financially okay, they have the resources, they don't typically go shopping around for credit unless they need it for a specific reason. But 9 times out of 10, if your financial situation is not looking good overall, that's a clear indication that, hey, this person must be in a financial situation. We don't want to give them the money because it's a good possibility we may not be getting it back. Just remember that. Now,